the way that you would solve this is you take the known information. What trig ratio relates this known information? You have an angle, you have an opposite, and you have an adjacent. So opposite and adjacent is tangent. So we know that the tangent of theta is equal to opposite over adjacent. Okay, so what this means and the way that you translate this into finding an angle is if you know that the tangent ratio is 6 over 11, then to find the angle, you take the inverse tan of that ratio. Okay, so the inverse tangent of 6 over 11 is going to give us the angle that fits this description. Okay, so if we take the inverse tan, let's switch back to degree mode. Okay, so if we take the inverse tan of 6 divided by 11, I'm going to put a decimal in it because I want my answer to be in decimal form here. And when I hit enter, I get 28.6 degrees approximately. We have an angle. We have an adjacent side and hypotenuse. Adjacent hypotenuse is the cosine ratio. So the ratio we can set up is the cosine of theta is equal to adjacent 2 over hypotenuse 8. If you wanted, you could reduce this. Okay? It's okay to reduce it. I'm just going to leave it for right now. And if I want to actually find my angle measure, I'm going to take the inverse cosine of that ratio, 2 over 8. And so when I calculate here, green diamond z gives me inverse cosine of 2 over 8. I want it in decimal form, so I'm going to hit the green diamond button or put a decimal in there. And so I get approximately 75.5 degrees. And that would be my angle. Okay, questions on that?